Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to build 5 Lego food items / kitchen items. For a pineapple, you need a minifigure head without no prints and a 1x1 green plant piece. To build the orange juice, you need a 1x1 brick and a slope piece. To build a carrot, you only need these 2 pieces. Like this. To build a cake, you need a round plate and place 4 studs around the edges. Then place a round jumper plate on top and 1x1 stud in the middle. To build a rolling pin, you need a cylinder piece with a hole in the middle and place 2 Technic pieces on each side. Then place a bar piece right in the middle. Like that. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm out.